Hello guys, still using MySQL for your Laravel project? In this video, I will show you how to set up PostgreSQL with Docker Compose for Laravel. The right way, so your database run on every machine every time. Let's go. Quick reason why this combo works so well. PostgreSQL is more powerful than MySQL for complex queries, JSON data, and large-scale apps. A lot of production Laravel apps run on it. And a Docker means no installation on your machine, no version conflict, and your whole team share the exact same database setup. Before we start, make sure you have a Docker desktop installed and a Laravel project ready. If you don't have a Docker setup yet, check my Docker installation video, link in the description. Okay, let's go. Step number 1. Step 1. In your Laravel project root, create a file called dockercompose.yml. This is where we're defining our PostgreSQL container. Let me break this down quickly. We are using PostgreSQL version 16, the latest stable. We give the container a name so it's easy to reference. The environment variables set your database name, username, and password. Port 5432 is a standard PostgreSQL port. And the volume at the bottom, make sure your data remain there even the container restart. Step 2. Spin up the container. Run this command in your project root. Docker compose up D. The D flag runs in the background so it doesn't block your terminal. Docker will pull the PostgreSQL image and start the container. This takes about 30 seconds of us time. Step 3. Confirm the container is running. Write a command docker ps. You should see Laravel Postgres in the list with status up. You can also check the logs if something looks off. Write a command docker log Laravel Postgres. Step 4. Connect Laravel to the database. Open the .env file and update these values to match what we put in Docker Compose. The key change here is DB connection. Switch it from MySQL to PGSQL. Everything else matches what we defined in Docker Compose. Save this file. Step 5. The moment of truth. Run Laravel migration to confirm the connection works. Write a command PHP artisan migrate. If your table creates without errors, your Laravel app is now fully connected to PostgreSQL running in the Docker. That's it. The whole setup done in minutes. Let's verify our migration actually created the table inside PostgreSQL. Run this command to get inside the container. Docker execute it Laravel Postgres. Now list all the table with this command /dt. You can see all the Laravel migration table right here. User, migration, cache, jobs. Everything created perfectly inside our Docker PostgreSQL container. Let's recap. Create your Docker compose.yml with PostgreSQL servers. Spin it up with Docker compose upd. Verify it's running. Update your .env file to use PGSQL. Run your migration and verify your table inside the Docker terminal. 5 step, 5 minutes done. If this saved your time, hit subscribe. I post dev tool tutorials like this every week. Drop your question in the comment if you get stuck. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one.